Hello students, let us observe this picture. See, it is our responsibility to prevent the pollution of public sources of water. This picture is related to lesson number 23, infectious diseases and how to prevent them. So, I am going to explain this important point and see the picture, observe the picture carefully. What is going on here? The boys are taking bath of buffaloes. Some are washing clothes. Someone is taking pot. And different activities are going on. If you observe this picture, it will lead to the spread of diseases. Someone is washing clothes. Some women are washing clothes. A man is taking out water. The boys are bathing the buffaloes. The boy under the tree is defecating, urinating. It's total picture. If we see, we can see this type of picture in our area or during, if you go to the riverside also. So what happens due to this? It leads to the spread of diseases. Diseases spread from one person to another person. When taking bath, washing clothes, lots of impurities are added in the river water or water sources. If a person takes out water from that river source and if he uses that for drinking and cooking, he will use contaminated water and which will lead to his health problems. There are chances of infection. That's more important in this lesson. So, these pictures you clearly observe and you should be able to answer. The germs of diseases of the intestine like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea as also of jaundice are present in the feces of affected person. If the feces get mixed with water, the germs in it also enter the water. If another person drinks water which has been contaminated by these germs means what? The microorganisms which cause diseases, they enter his intestines too and that person can get the disease. To prevent the spread of disease in this manner, it's best to avoid washing clothes and bathing in the water sources or defecating on the banks of the river. And observe the second picture also. Spread of disease through food. See, can you tell? What do you see in the picture below? You know that they are eating openly and what happens? Mosquitoes, small insects spread here and there. You may have heard of a number of people getting gastro or diarrhea after eating contaminated food at a function. Diseases spread through food also. This is also called food poisoning. When food poisoning is there, naturally vomiting takes place, loose motion and other problem arises, which will affect our health badly. So it is very important. Observe this video. You should be able to answer the questions by observing the picture. Thank you.